Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take daily vitamins and minerals through common foods. Many people rely on supplements, but a well-rounded diet can provide most of what your body needs. We'll explore how to identify nutrient-rich options and easily incorporate them into your meals. This approach supports your health naturally and ensures you're getting a wide spectrum of beneficial compounds. Let's dive into making your plate a powerhouse of nutrition. Let's look at some specific examples. For vitamin C, think about oranges, strawberries, and broccoli. Just 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper offers over 150% of your daily value. Iron can be found in lean meats, beans, and fortified cereals. Calcium is abundant in milk, yogurt, cheese, and dark leafy greens like kale. Incorporating these foods regularly helps meet your daily requirements without extra pills. Integrating these foods into your daily routine is simpler than you think. Try adding berries to your oatmeal or yogurt for antioxidants. Swap white rice for brown rice or quinoa to increase fiber and B vitamins. Even small changes, like including a side salad with lunch, can make a big difference. Focus on making half your plate fruits and vegetables at each meal for optimal nutrient density. To truly maximize your nutrition, remember to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods. These retain more of their natural vitamins and minerals. Also, be mindful of cooking methods. Steaming vegetables, for example, helps preserve more nutrients than boiling. A balanced diet is your best bet for consistent nutrient intake. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your healthy eating journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.